Welcome to Three Questions with Verity. Today we're speaking with Sigrid Neeskens. Sigrid, can you tell us what your role is at Verity, please?
My role at Verity is head of people and culture. So basically, I am responsible for the entire HR scope of the business.
And can you tell us just a little bit more about what your focus is in that role as head of people and culture?
So my focus as head of people and culture at Verity is to foster employee engagement, inclusivity, development, and growth in the organization. So essentially, together with my team, we hire and we train our talents. We ensure that they're cared for while we try to scale. And when I say cared for, I kind of mean we're responsible for anything from setting them up for success in their roles to being there to listen and advise them on a myriad of different topics, whether it's adjusting to life in Zurich when people have relocated from abroad, or career advancement opportunities, as well as just organizing plenty of fun team building events. And then another thing which I'm really trying to focus on in my role is to shift from the traditional mindset that HR is an admin function to really be more collaborative business partners across the entire organization to drive a culture which is both highly productive and supports each individual team member.
Okay, question number 2. What is your biggest challenge when building the team at Verity?
Good question. We've got a couple of them. I would say biggest challenge really is scaling our processes to ensure that, one, we can attract and hire the best possible talent, and two, to upskill the existing team. Some of our team members have really been at Verity from the beginning, from the very early days, and they've just kind of evolved in their roles, which is great, but we need to make sure that we are providing them with career enhancement opportunities to grow, develop, and remain really motivated. Zurich's also really growing as a tech hub. We've got plenty of competition, so we need to constantly keep evaluating or reevaluating, I would even say, how we remain an employer of choice, both for future talents as well as for our existing employees. And given that we're such an innovative company, I think we need to ensure that our HR processes are mirroring the expectations that candidates have from the very first point of contact, I would say, through the entire employee life cycle.
So for question number 3, what sets the Verity culture apart from other technology companies in your mind?
So I love this question because culture is actually one of the reasons I joined Verity. I think aside from our incredibly talented staff, we're very dev oriented. So the team really gets the opportunity to work on cutting edge technology and see the impact of their work quite quickly. I think another thing, we're very international. We've got 36 nationalities across right now 120 team members, which shows our diverse and inclusive culture, I would say. And then the third one is we've got a truly hybrid working environment. So we don't have fixed start and finish times. We don't have an obligation to be in the office a fixed amount of days per week, which means that some of our team, including myself, have used this opportunity to work lakeside in summer and from the mountains in winter, so we can enjoy a quick ski run over lunch. So really a great place to work.
Wonderful. I could not agree with you more. So thank you very much for your time today, and thank you for answering our 3 questions.
Thank you for having me on 3 questions, and have a great day.